real. See, you didn't do this. How could you do this? It was real. What we had was real. I know it was.
The things I said, I just needed you to trust me. That's all.
No, I know your story. You just made a mistake.
I left them! I lied. I only made a deal with you to get myself out of the miserable life. I left my sister, my mother, alone, while I slept on silk sheets in the palace with my belly full every night. I left them. I left them.
But that's not all you are. This is just your demon talking. You have to fight it.
That's not how we work.
Yes, it is.
Listen to yourself. It's working. You're a demon, just like me.
All we get to do is live without